Hello friends, what's up? This is your tech dude. Today I will explain the jakmister electrical air blower 80 miles per hour and 60 watt dust PC cleaner. Wattage is 600 watt. It is material unbreakable plastic manufacturer. The motor produces the 15,000 RPMs motor speed, lock on button for the constant air flowing. Amazing air blow is the 80 miles per hour. It is electrical broom of garage floor side, clear dust from the computers and sawdust from power tools and touchless try in your car. Easy to services. The change carbon bush designing, change the carbon bushes regularly to avoid damage to motor. It is the my last before day I will clean my PC. That is my air blower is the power cord is the burnout. Now I will change this power cord. How to change? I will show you step by step and each and every step and explain by very clear and detailedly. Please subscribe my tech dude channel. Please like my tech dude channel. Thanking you once again, your tech dude. The advance happy Easter all the viewers. Thanking you once again. Please share, please like, please comment. Thanking you once again, your tech dude. Now I will open this one. Remove first the screws. Friends, hello friends, you remove these 4 screws and remove this handle and check this main card. Hello friends, you can remove these 4 screws also. You remove this first 4 screws this side. After completing this 4 screws removing, the another step 1 is completed. First, you remove this ring. You remove completely this screw gently. This is the blower fan is there. Now I will check the continuity range is this multimeter. You select continuity range of this multimeter. Continuity range. One buzzer sound is coming. You can check this way. Friends, now I will connect this power. First I will disconnect this main power cord. How to connect new power cord? If you connect a new power cord, otherwise you connect any electrical wire, also 2-pin plug with the combination. Now I will connect is the standard wire, is house wiring wire, 18 gauge wire. This wire is I will connect. Now I will remove and show you how to connect. First you remove this both screws one by one gently. After that you remove this one. This is the face is given direct connection. This red wire, you remove this one. This wire is substandard wire. This is another wire is to control to switch. Connect this place. Black wire. Red wire is red wire place and black wire is black wire place. Remove this one gently. Very simple work. After pull this power cord, this power cord is the Day before yesterday is burned out. Day before yesterday burned out this. I will work in the cleaning purpose as it is coming to fire on this place. The wire is burned. Now I will insert these wires. And a small knot is given. If you pull the wire, it is not come outside. That's why I made a small notch this place. Then you can tighten this both screws. Complete tighten. Now I will give you this one is the red wire and twist gently. You can cut excess wire. After twisting gently, can cut excess wire. After cutting this, you can bend this way. After that, you can take one insulated tape and insulate it. After that, I will connect this black wire this place through switch. I remove this one. Remove this one first, and you can after test screwed. After you twist this neutral wire in this screw round the neck, and after that you can tie it gently, as much tight as possible without any pressure. Then the wiring connection is finished. Now I will check this switch are working or not. First, take a one multimeter or continuity tester also. Continuity bulb also you can test, whichever is available. First insert this 4 screws. First insert this 4 screws, then tighten it across this one, this side, maximum as possible, as gently you can tight. After that you tight across this side, this one. After that this one also, the tightening is completed. After that you insert this ring of this side. Once again you check this 4 screws complete tight or not. The finishing. After that you insert this switch. Nicely insert this wires inside of this. And insert this wires and this switch also. You can insert this gently. Then after that you insert this top end. Inserting this handle perfectly, this button, and observe this is locking or not. Then tight the screws one by one. First you can tight this one. Tightening is completed. Once you check again, total 5 screws are tightened. The another side this screw is there. You observe this place. You observe this place is one screw is there. You can tighten it. The work is finished. Now I will check this blower are working or not.